What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about App Launchpad. So this is one of the requests that I got from on my Instagram account by one of the users that why don't you go ahead and show a particular tutorial about App Launchpad's mockup generator. So today we are going to talk about the mockup generator. Basically, App Launchpad offers two services. The first one is of course the mockup generator and the second one is of course the screenshot generator. So it's been built for the developers. Generally what happens is developers are not that much inclined with the Photoshop or Adobe Illustrators and so on and so forth, and they end up either paying a particular freelancer for creating this screenshot for their newly launching Android or iOS application, or they end up paying for a particular application to get this thing done. Now I'm not saying that App Launchpad doesn't have like a paid or premium version. It does, but the free version does a better job and it gets what exactly you want. In today's video I'm going to show you about the mockup generator, and in the next video we'll be talking about the screenshot generator. I hope you find this particular thing helpful. Let's get started. I want to show you on the desktop screen. Alright, so here we are on the desktop screen. This is basically the application, the website, theapplaunchpad.com. It's basically going to give you this kind of a UI once you enter, and as I said, there are two tools that this particular website offers. The first one is the mockup generator and the second one is the screenshot builder. In this video we are going to check the mockup generator. If you do not have an account with them, you can go ahead and join. You can just go ahead and sign in through your Gmail account or your Google account, or you can go ahead and sign up through a personal whatever account, a manual account altogether. Let's go to the dashboard. Once you go on the dashboard, it's gonna give you this particular mockups which are pre-made by them. Now this app also has a premium version, but I don't think that is much more needed. You can always go ahead with the free version and it gets the job done. You can go ahead and filter the mockups as you want. If you want it all meaning this is a transparent background mockup. So if you select this is basically just the iPhone mobile mockups that you're gonna get with a transparent background. Apart from that, you can go ahead and change it to photos, templates, and so on and so forth. There is a device selection that it offers. So Android, iPad, iMac, and oh my god, laptop, Windows, smartwatch, multi-device Windows, and so on and so forth. So basically, as the name of the application suggests itself, that it's App Launchpad. It's basically for the developers altogether. Apart from that, it's gonna give you the tags, that is transparent, landscape, or iOS. It's gonna be beneficial in terms of adding this background image over here, which is I will be talking in a bit. Let's say I'm selecting this one, and if you want to go ahead and add a text, you can add a text on this. Let's say my new. You have to double click on that to go ahead and edit it. My new Android app. Alright. You can change the size of it. There is a font selection that you can do. Let's keep it this way. Underline. As this is a free version now, it's not going to offer you much high-fun details or so on and so forth, but again, I'm saying for a free version, and as the developers do not get so much into the Photoshop part of it, it's really good. There are some pre-made graphics that they have actually offered in terms of the App Store. You can add any particular logos that you want. So just place it anywhere that you want, resize it however you want it. Apart from that, it's also going to give you an option to upload your own customized logo, so you can go ahead and do that. This is basically the device. So device is something that I've already selected and I don't want it this way. Apart from that, it's basically going to give you a way to upload images. Now upload images is going to replace this your image over here portion. Let me show you. So just select this particular image, click on the upload image button here, and you can click on the image thingy. It's gonna take you to your desktop from where you can upload, select any particular images. So just for a demonstration purpose, I'm gonna add this pixels image to this one. It's going to ask me how do I want to crop it. I will just go ahead and you can go ahead and minimize or maximize the way you want to fit the entire screen. I'm just going to add this way, and I'm going to say crop image. So it has replaced that image for me. The second thing, again, you can go ahead and change it the similar way. Just click on that and just click on the upload image and click on the second image. Now, as I do not have a vertical image to show you guys over here, let me see if I can just add this cup thing over here, but it's gonna be like really different altogether. No, it won't look that bad though. Okay. Yeah, okay. I can probably place this logo here, and it also gives you an option in terms of how you want to place it. So for example, if you want to rotate it this way, that way, just to what do you call, merge it with your UI UX. I'm not that good of a designer. This is just one tool that one of you guys suggested, and I just wanted to help you out. Anyway, coming to the background part of it, as I have selected, like the first thing I just told you, it's a transparent background image that I've selected. So that is the reason it's giving me an option to go ahead and upload a background image. Now let me see what I can do and how is it going to look. This is the first time I'm going to change that particular image. So, but to be completely honest, I don't think we need to have that background. Let me go for this plain one. I mean the normal looking one. I'm going to change this text name to, let's see, the whiter version of it. Yeah, I'll make it bold. So yeah, this is moda everything about the App Launchpad mockup generator. Once you're done or once you're satisfied with the image that you want, you can just go ahead and click on the download thing over here. Now, as again, this is a free version, it's going to allow you certain, what do you call, restrictions. There are certain times when you can go ahead and download it without the watermark, and after that certain times it is actually going to download it with the watermark section. I'm going to go ahead with the higher one, but it's going to give me the watermark. If you go ahead with the lower one, it's not going to give you the watermark. And I think after generating it, you can always have a space where you can just crop the image or somewhere like that, and you can use it for your Android or iOS versions altogether. Alright, so as you see, like this has been downloaded over here. There are other options also. There are other templates that you can go ahead and select based on what you are looking for. Now this is like, do not judge me. I'm really a bad designer anyway. But there are other ways you can go ahead and check it out. There are other images that you can go ahead and check it out. Also, apart from that, it's going to give you an option to create your own template. Let this thingy load because my laptop is a bit slow. Alright, so this image has been loaded over here. It's basically a good help, and it's free actually, so you can go ahead and try it yourself. Again, do not judge me based on the designs that I made. Anyway, apart from that, as I was saying, it also gives you an option to create your own custom template altogether from the scratch option, which again, let me show you, but this needs to get loaded. Alright, so the moment you actually go ahead and select the create your own template, it's going to give you a basic plain, what do you call it, transparent background. Now let's say you have all the materials with yourself, let's say the graphics, the images, the background images, and so on and so forth. You can always go ahead and add. Again, I'm just going to show you as an this thing, like what do you call, as a mock-up. My new Android new 1 second. Android app, and you can place it anywhere you want. You can again go ahead and add the graphics that you want. For instance, if this is one of the thing that you want to go ahead and select, or you can always go ahead and upload the graphics that you want. So this is basically just one thing, I mean one element which it has given. Apart from that, we can always go ahead and add a background. Let's say remove the uploaded background. I don't want to remove the uploaded background. You can change the background color from here. So I'll go ahead and make it like a black thing. Then I have to go ahead and change the text. Oops. Yeah, so I'll change the text color again, and let's make it this. Let's make it bold. You can always go ahead and change the fonts that you want. It's like a huge, massive options of fonts that has been given over here. You can, apart from that, go ahead and add the graphics that you want. There are elements which, as I said, they're already given over here. So you can make the changes as per that. And then once you're done, again, this is a very basic thing that I've shown, but once you've done, then click on the download thingy, again, the high-res thing, and it's gonna get downloaded. Preparing to download. It should download. Alright, so once it has been downloaded, it's basically going to give you a zip file. As you can see on the screen also, I have a zip file, and once you extract that zip file, it's basically going to give you all that screenshots that you want. Another thing that it allows you, you can also get it with a transparent background altogether. Matlab, like if you don't prefer having a particular JPEG image, you can simply go ahead and get it as a PNG without any particular background. So I think I have covered pretty much everything about the mockup generator for the applunchpad.com. I hope you find this app launchpad video helpful. If you like the video, guys, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching the channel, keep geeking, and also let me know in the comment section what are the other applications that you would like to know about. Thank you.